Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learned about table tag. In table tag, we learn about its attribute, border, cell padding, cell spacing, rowspan, colspan, etc. Today we will learn about list tag in HTML5. A collection of multiple items or different items is called a list. There are three ways to create a list in HTML. Number one is unordered list. Number two, ordered list. Number three, description list. So for this, we will open our editor. I will make new file. I will set the title of our web page list tag. I will save the file. First, we create unordered list. I will set the heading for unordered list. Right, an unordered list start with the UL tag and end with the /UL tag. Each list item start with the LI tag. UL stand for unordered list, LI stand for list item. We will create the unordered list, right? Now we will create the list item in the unordered list, right? I will copy and paste, right? Cricket, football, tennis, rugby. I will save the file and open in a web browser, right? You can see it create an unordered list. There are no numbers in the list. In U in UL tag there is an attribute of type, right? In attribute type we can type the circle, right? I will save it. You can see it. It shows the circle in this form, right? There is also an attribute of dist, right? I will save it. It shows the circle in this format, right? There is also one more type, square, right? I will save it and reload the page, right? Now it shows the bullets in square form, right? I hope you understand the unordered list very well. Now I will tell you about the ordered list, right? In ordered list there is an order, right? Order means 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, or A B C D E F and so on, etc., right? An ordered list start with the OL tag. Each list item start with the LI tag, right? OL mean ordered list, LI uh, OL stand for order list, LI stand for list item, right? I will make the order list, right? I will copy and paste, right. I will type Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka. I will save it and reload our browser. You can see it shows the our list in the order wise. Order wise means 1, 2, 3, 4. If we not mention any order, by default it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? Now we use the attribute of OL is the type. In type we will type these options: one small a, capital A, small Roman I, a capital I, right? If I will type the A, you can see it. It shows the number A, B, C, D, I, right? If I will type the capital A, you can see it. It will show the list in capital A, B, C, D. If I will type the small I, you can see it. It shows in Roman numbering, right? If I will type the capital I, it will show the list in Roman capital, right? I hope you understand it very well. Now the last list is description list, right? A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term, right? DL tag is used in the description list. DL stand for description list, and the DT tag define the term or name, and the DD tag describe the each term or name, right? In description list, we can mention the keyword and we define each keyword with little bit description, right? I will show you how to we use the description list in HTML, right? I will start DL tag, right? Then we will type the description term, PHP, and DD describe the term, right? PHP is a backend language, right? I will copy paste. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. Then we type C plus plus. C plus plus is I will save the file and reload our page, right? You can see it shows the PHP and its description is PHP is a backend language, then JavaScript, then C++. I hope you understand it very well. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.